Here, the postures start from Pranamasana. Inhale and exhale Namaste in front of your chest. And with an inhalation, both arms up, Hasta Uttanasana. Exhale, bend forward. This is called as Uttanasana. And inhale your right leg forward, left leg backward, Ashwasanjalasana. Holding your breath and come back to the straight line, Santolasana, and knee, chest, chin on the ground. This is called as Ashtanga Namaskara. Foot flat, inhale, Cobra posture. Yes, this is the Cobra posture. Exhale, Adho Mukha Svanasana. Again inhale your right leg forward, repeating Ashwasanjalasana. Exhale, Uttanasana. Again same repetition. Inhale, Hasta Uttanasana. And exhale, Pranamasana, the first posture. Total it includes 12 asana.